Hey, it's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. This is the 2019 GMC Sierra 2500 HD all-terrain edition with the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. You got the 20-inch fuel wheels, the Cognito Ridge Grappler tires as well. Loving that. You also have the Cognito, the leveling kits. You got the Fox shocks, the all-terrain badging, the off-road steps there, door to door. That nice red stitching, which is unique to the all-terrain editions. Leather seating throughout. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar support. You've got Bose audio in here. You also have power folding mirrors. You just press that button right down there and see those folding mirrors in action. And you do have the integrated turn signals as well. Memory seat and memory mirror with 2 presets. You got your trailer brake, 4-wheel drive select. So much to see here in this 2500 HD. So let's climb on in and take a look around. We're going to work our way here from left to right on the inside. You got the leather wrapped steering wheel, and it is heated. Headlights, turn signals, intermittent wipers. You got your hazards. The gear shifter with tow haul. Hands-free calling and voice command, and the driver information center menu. And you also have a volume control behind the steering wheel right there, so you can crank those tunes up. And again, you do have Bose audio. Heated seats, both driver and passenger side. And a quick look at the key fob shows you that you have the remote start and the alarm function. Onboard navigation with turn-by-turn. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto supported with projection, and you do have Blu-ray DVD. You can feed your discs in right there. We're going to show you where the screen is in just a minute. Roof mounted in the back. Phone icon to pair those devices and use for hands-free and stored media. And the traffic icon, when you punch that up, it's going to show you those troubled spots on the road, and you can plan your trip around that. Dual zone climate control for heating and air conditioning. Your AC button, fan speed operator, front and rear defrosters, and power adjustable pedals. So if you have some shorter legs like myself, no problem at all. Traction control, cargo lamps on off, parking sensors. You got your hill descent control and exhaust brake. And for power, you have 3-prong, 2 USB, and a pair of 12-volt. Cup holders, and above you've got place to rest a device right there. So if you have a compatible smartphone, you can charge up as you drive. 2 USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt. Double glove box, the top portion locks, and you're going to get those GMC branded premium floor mats throughout the vehicle. Full powered slide and tilt sunroof. Controls right here within arm's reach of the driver. And a powered sliding rear window. And you got your garage door opener selectors and overhead lighting on both sides. And sunglass storage. Let's get a look at the rear profile now, and you've got the heavy duty hookups there for trailer and hitch. The tailgate steps both left and right. The rear parking sensors. The all-terrain badging there on the right-hand side, and that hard tonneau cover. The GMC emblems blacked out here. Locking tailgate, which is easy lift and lower. Nice and smooth and quiet. You got the prep pack in there for the 5th wheel and gooseneck. Your tie downs, you got the LED box lights. And again, putting that back in position, so easily done. One hand on the camera here the whole time. The other one's on operating everything, so it shows you just how simple it is to do. Tell you what, this 2500 HD, it's going to take you wherever you need to go. You're going to look like you're doing it in style as well. Beautiful, isn't it? I would take a look into the rear of the vehicle. Leather seating again, split bench seats, and there is a look at that Blu-ray DVD player. 12 volt power, HDMI, 2 USB, auxiliary. And you got the powered sliding rear window once again. Nice deep tinted glass throughout. And those premium floor mats continue here in the rear of the vehicle. And again, we're going to get a look at those 20-inch fuel wheels. The Cognito leveling kit. You got the fog lights up front, the front tow hooks, the parking sensors, and throughout, again, you do have those blacked out GMC emblems and your Duramax diesel badging there on the hood. And that's going to complete your look around this 2500 HD. If you want to see this one in person, we are at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.